Hey guys, this is a Brother intelliFAX 2840 printer. I'm going to show you how to reset a drum after you've changed it out, or if you have a good drum in there and it shows you that you need to replace it. So go ahead and check it out. It's right here. This is the drum unit. Here's the drum unit that we have. It holds the the toner cartridge. So if it's all good and it doesn't give you any streaks or lines on your reports or your printouts, then how you can reset it is you're gonna press number 3 and 9 together when the home screen comes up. Here we go. It's basically in the standby mode right now, and we're gonna press 3 and 9 together, and we're going to set. It's going to ask you to reset the drum, and you're going to press OK, and then you're going to press 1 to reset it. And when you basically your drum unit is now reset. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if we were able to help you. Subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.